Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today we are gonna make barrels. Wine, beer, what else? Okay, barrels are so different. There's a lot of variety of barrels. So basically it's not important your style. You can mix many kind of different stuff together and you will have great results in the end. Barrels are very interesting elements and they are a fundamental part in this tiny furniture series. On YouTube you have a lot of tutorials about barrels. DMG Info, I think also Scotty, everyone. Actually, I'm coming here with the foam. The power of foam is the reason why I'm here. With the foam, I'm in front of you now, showing how to create a couple of different type of barrels. The little one and this big one for a great quantity of beer or wine, typical in the dungeon cellars. But before start, please consider to support this channel through Patreon. Follow the link below. And also you can sustain and donate something through PayPal. We have a direct link so you can sustain this channel and help me doing better and better. And that's it, okay? Stay with me. So barrels, resin by Ziterdes. This one was in wood. This one is in actually in metal by Game Workshop. But each one is around a couple of centimeters tall, so I'm cutting here now a cylinder in foam about 2 centimeters high. I'm sorry guys, I cannot explain you how to do this without the proxy. When you have your cylinder in foam, you can use a bottle in a glass, like this one, for use the smooth edge of the bottle as a guide for cut a 30-degree angle with a arch foam cutter. This is a Legnaro method, you know. Who says that beer is just for drink? Beer is for crafting. For the big one, I'm using now the Proxon with the 30-degree angle of the wire. Since it's quite big, I'm cutting 2 pieces instead that one in 2 sides. Then I will adjust the dimension for have in that way the 2 halves of the barrel. Nice and easy. For correct a little bit the shape, I'm sanding, and then I'm adding in both of the barrels a screw for add extra weight, and also you will see this will allow to the barrel not to fall when you play with it. Since we have a 2 half and my screw is too much long, I'm pressing the head of the screw in one part so I have the space for hide the screw inside. Yeah, I'm digging the hole, and when I was satisfied by the depth of the wall, I start to put the screw on the other part. Not all the way in. I've left the head outside, so in this way it can fit perfectly. Now I'm cutting some piece of light cardboard. With my tool I'm bending in a natural way all the metal reinforcement for the barrels. I'm ready for assembling now then. Hot glue and voila. Again with the sandpaper I'm adjusting the shape. Here with the hot glue I'm attaching a round piece of cardboard for hide the screw. Before I add the metal reinforcement, you need to trace the lines and the wood grain for the barrels, as you can see here. As always, you can check my tutorial number 4 for my wood grain technique. Now it's time to attach the metal reinforcement for the barrels. I suggest you not to go all the way with the hot glue gun, but to attach it spot by spot, so you can fix the first piece and then you can guide the metal reinforcement step by step. With a scissor you can then cut the excess. You can choose to add 2, 3, 4 metal reinforcement per barrel. It's just a matter of taste. Now, with the scrap foam piece that we left from the initial cut of the 2 cylinders of foam, we create a support for the big barrel, cutting the shape with the X-Acto knife. Or with the Proxen, for be more precise. After we traced the wood grain, also here, we need to even the edges, and so to have a flat surface for sustain the barrel. It's very easy with the Proxen. Here I'm using a couple of pieces of matchsticks for the top. You can also insert just one toothpick and that's it. It's very easy. For the little barrel, you need to follow the same procedure. This time, for the wood grain, I suggest you to use a metal brush with a lighter touch, cause this barrel has very little planks. Here I had the problem with the double layer cardboard. I fixed the problem just removing the second layer and it was okay, but I suggest you to use a single layer cardboard for your metal reinforcement. Paint this stuff is very easy. I first coated them with my Mod Podge black acrylic paint and water mixture. Check my tutorial number 1 for see the quantity of this mixture. Then I use a dark brown, covering with a semi-wet brush all the pieces. Then I use this warm gray. It's actually a grayish, beige, gray, I don't know, but is warm gray. It's called warm gray. First with a semi-dry brush, then dry brushing everything. You see this little barrel with the screw inside? It's not falling when you push it. It's great for playing without your pieces falling everywhere. When you have a variety of barrels, it seems that your storage room is plenty of supplies, and it's very nice to see. Nice.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!